What's going on, guys? Been working on some repairs on the center console, doing some JB Weld plastic putty around some of the main holes there, trying to reinforce that stuff. But one of the big things I wanted to talk about was the shift boot. I wanted to replace the shift boot, so I bought one from Japan. Probably not necessary, but I thought, hey, that might be kind of cool to buy some from Japan auctions, basically Yahoo auctions, and see how that all works. Basically, the original shifter boot was all shriveled up, wasn't working out, and wanted to replace it. So one of the big issues is these clips, the factory clips, break off on the sides. And the previous owner, or one of the previous owners of this car, had fiberglass rods kind of going across here, almost look like parts of a fishing pole, just to apply pressure there. I wanted to do something a little bit more factory looking, and ultimately this is what I came up with, these two guys here. And I'll throw up a 3D image of that now, but it basically just sits this angle, this contour nice. It kind of just glues in place on either side, and you just use the spring pressure of the actual boot frame itself to hold it in there, and it holds it in there nice and tight, but not so tight that it's impossible to remove. Pretty simple. I printed mine with PETG just because it might be pretty warm right there, especially in the summertime, but I used just super glue and a little bit of the quick dry spray to dry up the excess that squeezed out of the edges. But if you guys want that file, I'm going to put it on makerworld.com. Look up Degreeless Engineering. I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah, it works out well.